Hello everyone! In this video, I am going to explain about my research. But before that, please let me introduce myself. My name is Mardiana Hanifah. I am in grade 11 at Bina Cita Utama School. I am researching the field of life science. My research is entitled Diversity of Soil Surface Insects in the Forest Environment of Bina Cita Utama School, Tangkiling Hill Area, Palangka Raya. Introduction to my research. So the problem that I researched about is the health condition of our forest, whether it is healthy, unhealthy, or moderate. And the formulation of the problem is what is the level of diversity of soil surface insects in the forest area of Bina Cita Utama School. This research has a purpose to identify as well as analyze soil surface insects and how to indicate the health of the forest by observing soil surface insects. Methodology. So the type of method used to analyze the data in this research is descriptive quantitative. And the activity we do is to conduct an observation activity, and this includes taking samples or sampling. And the technique we use to take samples is using a pitfall trap, which is a trap specifically used to take ground level objects, in this case insects. But before we can conduct the observation activity, we need to determine the location, and that is in the school environment of Bina Cita Utama in Palangka Raya, Central Kalimantan. And once the samples were taken, we bring it to the science laboratory to identify the insects. So insect samples were classified based on their species and genus level. And next is to analyze the data, which is to determine the diversity index using Shannon-Wiener formula, as well as evenness index and dominance index. And finally, we can get to the result and analysis. So, 12 genera from 7 families were obtained. A total number of 2,403 individuals were caught from plot 1, 2, and 3. Family with the most genus is Formicidae, with a total of 6 genera. Family with the least individuals is Cryptocercidae, with only 1 genus and 7 individuals obtained. The ecological index value shows the value of index diversity 1.96. This means that the environment is in a medium or neutral level of diversity. And then the evenness index has a value of 0.79. It is in the high evenness category. This means that the environment has a highly even distribution of species. Dominance index C has a value of 0.17. This means that no species is dominant. Finally, we can come to the conclusion. So 12 genera from 7 families were obtained based on the study. And based on the ecological index value, I can conclude that the forest environment in Bina Cita Utama School is still healthy and has a balanced ecology. And now, the future work. This research can be developed for further research that is similar. It can also be a source of information for related institutions that aims to preserve the nature, especially the diversity of insects. It can also be a support for high school practicum in the field of biology and for the public. This can untie the misconception of insects that not all kinds of insects act as pests. Instead, they can even bring benefits as a health indicator of the forest. So that is it for me. I, Mardiana Hanifah, would like to say thank you.